Last night I heard footsteps walking right up to my door. Looked out my window and saw someone I saw before. It looked a lot like you, girl, same color of hair. But when I got to my doorstep, there was no one there. Was it you on your way back to me? Or is it a dream that I see? Were you on your way back home? Or wanting to see was I alone? In the moonlight I could see you as you walked away. I heard your footsteps fading as the night time turned to day. There is no need to fret, girl, for I am alone. And that's the way it will always be until you come back home. Was it you on your way back to me? Or is it a dream that I see?